हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज से मैं व्लॉगिंग को कंटिन्यू करने वाली हूँ एंड आई बी लाइक वेरी रेगुलर टू इट। सो नाउ मैं एक शॉपिंग मॉल में आई हूँ जहाँ पर मैं डेट्स वगैरह ख़रीद रही हूँ। सो उमेर देख ले बाबा, ये मुझे किसी ने दिया नहीं है, ये मैंने ख़रीदा है, ये खजूर कोई मुझे देने वाला नहीं है यहाँ पे। सो मैंने ये डेट्स ख़रीद लिए, कुछ चॉकलेट्स ख़रीद लिए एंड ये चॉकलेट मैंने कभी खाया नहीं है, पर उमेर ने मुझे बताया कि ये वो कहीं गया था खाने के लिए, तो उसको किसी ने बोला है बाम है करके, पर ये चॉकलेट था। तो मैंने ये ले लिया कि टेस्ट करते कैसे हैं। एंड देन आई वेंट टू सिटी सेंटर जहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे डिस्काउंट्स चल रहे थे। Then I was like, why not? Let me just grab some perfumes and t-shirts and stuff like that. So I have taken good amount of shopping from Center Point, and then I'll be just showing you what is the other stuff which is available in Home Center. यहाँ के mugs and cups बहुत अच्छे हैं। दिस इज़ माई फेवरेट गोल्डन स्पून जो मैं ऑलरेडी ले चुकी हूँ। सो मेरे को वापस से लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट यहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छा ऑफ़र था। सो आई वाज लाइक मैं देख लेती हूँ ये कप कितना अच्छा लग रहा है, ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा है, बट आई हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन इट। सो मैं कप में इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं करने वाली हूँ। एंड दिस इज़ द स्नो लैंड वेयर ये मॉल के अंदर ही है एंड एवरी थिंग इज़ इन स्नो स्नो स्नो। एंड देन यू सी द स्लाइड में अभी ऊपर से कोई नीचे आने वाला है एंड द स्पीड ऑफ द स्लाइड इज़ लाइक, अब देखना, फोकस and then you've been thrown down like anything. I liked it, and then I ordered from Carrefour the products which I wanted. Actually, I go to malls and everywhere, but I don't take everything because उठाएगा कौन? Because I don't have any vehicle to lift myself और इतना भारी मैं उठा नहीं सकती हूँ. So I just make sure that I online order it. Then ये मैंने online order किया था, ये चल रहा नहीं है. These people are trying to fix it कि हो जाए. After half an hour of failed attempt they couldn't. So मेरा online experience of taking any product is a failure. So I was like एक processor लेके अच्छा सा use कर लेते हैं, पर processor was a failure for me. Well, now I'm gonna make some biryani for myself because आज मैं कहीं special जगह जाने वाली हूँ which is Winter Wonderland. I hope आपने वो vlog देखा होगा, ऑलरेडी मैं डाल चुकी हूँ। So I'm just cooking myself a biryani and I'll eat and then I'll go because मैं वहाँ पे कुछ खाने वाली नहीं हूँ सिवाय I'll just have some coffee and stuff like that. So my biryani, and मैं क्या करूँ, मैं हर बार बिरयानी ही डाल रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे बिरयानी इतनी अच्छी लगती है कि I cannot resist it, and this is the only thing I think जो मैं बहुत अच्छा बना सकती हूँ। So I make it very healthy so that I get all my केसर, ड्राई फ्रूट्स वगैरह सब कुछ डाल के मैं इसको ख़त्म कर सकूँ। सो मैं इस बिरयानी में जितना अच्छा खासा फ्रूट्स वगैरह, चिकन वगैरह सब कुछ है, सो आई जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट आई जस्ट डंप इट एवरीथिंग इन। देन मैं इसके अंदर घी डालूँगी। घी से क्या होता है कि जो फ्लेवर आएगा इट्स विल बी वेरी गुड। बट मैंने बनाया तो अच्छा है, बट इसमें मैंने क्या कर दिया, नाउ यू विल कम टू नो, आगे देखो पता चलेगा आपको। सो दिस इज़ द ईटेबल रोज़ वाटर जो मुझे अच्छा लगता है। मैं इसको फेस पे भी लगाती हूँ एंड दिस कैन बी ईटन ऑल्सो, ओके। अब मैंने क्या किया, इसको मैंने खोलने के बाद मैंने इतना सारा डंप कर दिया। ओ माय गॉड, द होल बिरयानी वाज स्मेलिंग सो मच ऑफ रोज़। पर हाँ, ज़्यादा मैंने रोज़ वाटर डाल दिया था, बट नो प्रॉब्लम, एनी विच वेज इट्स अ ईटेबल थिंग, सो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था। सो एज द बहुत ही मेरा पुराना रिचुअल है कि जब भी बिरयानी बनता है, जो लेफ़्ट ओवर बिरयानी के बर्तन होते हैं उसमें मैं ये चावल डाल के ये मुझे खाना ही खाना है। आई डोंट नो, मैं बिरयानी का इतना भी पोर्शन वेस्ट नहीं करती हूँ। आई जस्ट लव इट, सिंस चाइल्डहुड आई एम डूइंग दिस। So well, this is my biryani. The things are being decorated. Biryani is good, and it's very good. I think it should be actually. So let me just stir it and show it to you. Ooh la la. The best part about my biryani is like it is what we say, it's boneless. You don't have any bone in this chicken, so it's enjoyable to eat. And now I'm super excited. Make like biryani in this Molofix. Well guys, now I have landed to Doha Festival City, which is DFC, and जो पुराना व्लॉग था वो आप लोग ने पहले ही देख लिया है, जो मैं विंटर वंडरलैंड गई थी वहाँ पे मैंने क्या क्या किया, कैसे किया एंड हाउ इट वाज. दिस इज़ द नेक्स्ट डे व्लॉग वेयर आई विजिटेड टू दोहा फेस्टिवल सिटी DFC. एंड देन दिस इज़ द पासपोर्ट ऑफिस इन मुंबई, जो मुझे बहुत हार्ड टाइम दे रहे हैं. लेट मी लैंड टू इंडिया एंड देन आई विल गिव देम. So this is the abaya which I have seen from Doha Festival, and they are chocolates in this. They did not added any sugar into it. This is very bad. And then I took perfume from Ahmed Al Maghrabi, and the perfume was amazing. इसको लगाने के बाद you just wash your hand also. आपके hand से वो खुशबू will not even go for at least 2 days. It's so good perfume which I have taken. I'm so sorry, it's not a perfume, it's an oil which I have taken, and it's amazing, guys. It's amazing. And then he's giving me some samples, which is a sweet gesture. Actually he's doing marketing for himself. And then guys, ये मेरा बेसिन है जहाँ पे मैं वज़ू करती हूँ, but it's troubling me since a very long. और मुझे यहाँ पे कोई प्लम्बर पता नहीं है. well, ये पानी अंदर जाता ही नहीं है, so it's giving me really a hard time. well, now I'm trying to fix it. so आज ही मैं इसका ऑपरेशन करने वाली हूँ और इसको ट्राई करूँगी कि ये जल्द से जल्द ये पानी यहाँ से निकले. So luckily now I just rolled out my brain and मैंने इसको clean किया, like open the pipe and pipe को change किया, and luckily the water started going in. I'm so glad. And then I just comes the next day where I just went to see this largest ship which is there, cruise actually, which is there in Qatar. and this ship ये ship आपको कतर से दुबई, दुबई से कोवैत, and everywhere it takes you, and then again ये land करती है back. This is the largest cruise which is there in Middle East. I just liked it, but the tickets are like 2-3 हज़ार रियाल. well, it's very expensive. Now, well, I'm taking you to a very beautiful place in Qatar, which is called as Jiwan Island, which is situated in, I think, Lusail. Yes, it's in Lusail. No, it's in Pearl actually, the Pearl. And this is the bridge which they have made, which will take you to Jiwan Island. And this is beautiful. This bridge itself is beautiful, but then now what I'm going to show you is a masterpiece which is there in Qatar. And no doubt, like, Qatar is a place which never leaves you in a place where I mean, it never leaves you in trouble. It's like sometime or the other, something or the other thing is happening. This is the most beautiful mosque in Qatar, which I just love it, the Pearl Mosque. And I just love to offer namaz in this. It's amazing, amazing mosque. This is Jiwan Island, which I really like it, and I'm gonna show you. And can you see this? The moon tower, the Ferrymont. This is, I think, Rafael Doha's corner, and the other side was the Ferrymont. This is also visible from this place. So yes, I have come into the island, and this is the masterpiece crystals which has been used to make which has been used to create this walking path, and it's amazing, guys. It's beautiful. And I have come to a place which is completely in, and there are very less people actually at this moment, which is very good. I like it. But the place is so cold. It's like AC, और ऊपर से temperature is also down, so it's like amazing windy. If you guys can see it from the flying abaya that it's so windy and cold there. So यहाँ पे कैमल्स, बकेट्स, कुएँ ऐसे बनाया हुआ है कि ये क्रिस्टल्स को आप देखो, you admire it, you will come to know what all detailings are done in this. And the crystals are the world peace crystals which are used for making these crystals, which are used to make this path over. Amazing, amazing. Qatar has such beautiful art piece. I just admire this place. I just love it. I don't know how many tons of crystals are used in this. And wait. So it's called as Jiwan Island, which is actually arising from blue water of Arabian Gulf. It's a rare jewel of architecture and unmatched luxury that is amazingly true. And it's offered, and it offers commercial residential facilities, and this is an attractive site where they want to engage more and more people into it. It's located in the Pearl Island, and it discovered the premier living at Jiwan Island. There are so many residential areas there, buildings there, which they have made it. And let me tell you about it's made by UDC, which is United Development Company, in 2021, and it is a cityscape. Qatar launched the first phase of Crystal Residence Apartment. It's for sale actually, and they are trying to attract more tourist side to this area, and hence they have made this Crystal Park, Crystal Walkway, which has so many commercial and residential districts here, with which is an hub at Jiwan Island, and it has 15 buildings. It is in a kilometer of 11,000 square feet shopping and dining area, and it has 482 public space, walking space, and two clock made up of crystals which are 5 meter height, and five buildings are there, and it has 180 crystals flooring box. It's fully air conditioned, and we have one of the area with the largest quantity of crystals in the world, and has 10 tons of crystals of different sizes and distributed in different ways. We have 180 crystals flooring boxes, and the people will walk on the top of them, which has projected by the glass. The crystal flooring presents 5 different themed: desert, snow, forest, sea, and um, machineries. In addition, we have two clocks which are made up of crystals and 5 meter height. Then comes the next day, जहाँ पे I have ended my day and the driver is taking me to the villa. अब उसके बाद I have to prepare myself for the next day, which is a big day, where we are going to one of the best Qatari school in Qatar. And yes, here comes the school, which is Al Manar International School, which is located in, I don't know which place exactly. So this is how the school has been decorated. Our amazing hands, and really the school was very good actually, and the children's here were like very intelligent students. The classrooms were so good, all air conditioned, good water, good teachers, and after all, the seniors, I just love the way the senior handle their juniors. Taking you to the place which is one of my favorite place in Qatar. This is the Maha Island, which is again the place in Lusail. Yes, Lusail. I think it's Lusail, correct? Yes, it's in Lusail, and it's amazing place, guys. I just love it. Just next to it, you see the Wonder Mall, and next to it, it's the Winter Wonderland and the Maha Island. So what did I take yesterday was I took this T-shirt for my brother, which is all Qatar ka design for by Replay. Actually, the cost of T-shirt is somewhere around around. This is how much? 300 रियाल. But I'm not gonna tell it to my family. उसका टैग निकाल दूँगी मैं. फिर ये मैंने कैप ले लिया उसके लिए, उसको चाहिए था. Again, the cap is somewhere around 250 riyal, but I'm not gonna tell them. Then I took Al Maghrabi perfumes. Then this is Al Bidda t-shirt, and the quality is amazing, guys. मैं आपको ये t-shirt को open करके दिखा देती हूँ. So this is how plain t-shirt it is. It's just like Qatar लिखा हुआ है, and this is embroidered flag by Replay. The quality of the t-shirt is very good, and the best part is ये कतर का कलर है. तो मैं अपने भाई को ये टी-शर्ट पहना के, ये कैप पहना के अपने साथ साथ सारी जगह लेके जाऊंगी, ताकि उसको सबको लगे कि मैं कतर से आई हूँ और मैं कतर का झंडा ले लेके घूम रही हूँ. इसके साइज़ में कोई इशू नहीं होना चाहिए, उसको फिट हो जाना चाहिए. द बेस्ट पार्ट आई लाइक इज़ द स्लीव्स, जिसमें बस ये एक फ्लैग का ये बना हुआ है. सो आई लाइक इट. Please do let me know how do you like it. If you like it, then please do comment, share and subscribe.